What is up, guys? Today we're going to be changing the differential oil on this 1996 Toyota Previa. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Catch you underneath. So without further ado, let's show you. We slide our trusty oil catch can underneath, and I also like to keep one of these just to be on the safe side for catching the ash at the top and bottom. And we're going to crack this puppy off. Just span on it, and there you go. We take that puppy out of the top. And you always do this before you take the bottom bolt out, because if you crack the bottom and hold on, if you crack the bottom off and you then can't crack the top, you can't refill it, and then you're in a world of doggy doo-doo. So it's always best to do the top first before you crack the bottom. There you go. Hello, friend. Where are you? Lucky I ain't put no oil in here yet. So there's the top. So if we take that off first, we know our trusty catch can, we know where that is. We also know we can refill it to the right level. Now for the fun part. We crack this puppy first. Like so. Then you get well out the way. And you can take that puppy out and see some near on. Well, this car is 96, so near on as old as me oil out of here. Oh, look at the state of that. And I'll show you guys that in a minute. That has never been changed. Like, never. See if I can get you guys a better angle. Let's have a look. There you go. You can see it there. So this is, you can't really see, but there is a bolt just here, and that is the one. That is the one you want to crack off first. Let me see if I can get you a little light. There you go. You can actually see a bit better. If I tilt you up a bit. That's the one we've had to take out. That is the one you want to take out first to make sure that you can refill it. Because if you take this bottom one out, where the oil is coming out of, you take that out and you can't take the top one out, you're in a world of bother. So always take the top out first, so you know you can refill it before taking the bottom plug. Otherwise you're gonna land yourself in a world of bother. So yeah, That's the fruity stuff coming out. I will show you the old battered stuff in a second. It's a 24mm on these tarago previas. Nice and easy, with a bit of persuasion they come off. But yeah, we'll leave that to drain. We'll get the new stuff in. So this one right here is your top bolt, and this one right here is the bottom. As you can see, the bottom's got like a magnet on it, and it's got loads of crap from the diff in it, loads of rubbish. So we're going to clear that off and put it back as it should be, and refill it with the good stuff, which is right here. This is the stuff you want for a previa, a Mark 1 previa, 80 weight 90. Yeah, let's get that in. So there is the magnet all cleaned up. You can't see it too great. See if we can get it focused. So that's the magnet from the sump plug, if you like, of the diff, all cleaned up. It's got a magnet on it, so that will help catch any metal filings now from the diff, from general wear and tear. Get that back in. Now here is your old oil. I'll shine a light on that. Look at the state of that. Look at that. Let's tip that up a bit so you can see it. It is supposed to be a golden colour, and I don't think it is somehow. So yeah, that is your old stuff right there. Absolutely demolished. And let's get the new stuff in. Right, now first things first. First order of proceedings is to get your bottom bolt back in. So if I find the hole, and we finger tighten first. Making sure. It's a pain in the bum when you're not right under the car. But with a bit of persistence you'll get there. Get me nut out of the way in a minute. There's you all lined up. Right, there you go. There you go. And you finger tight that right away. If you're like me, you like things done properly. Now I'm just going to nip it for now, just so I can put oil in it. There you go, nipped. You can get that out of the way. Let me know oil. Now you get one end of your siphon pump, which is just here and run it into your new oil can, and you run the other end of the siphon pump into the top hole. That's if you want to do it the easy way like me. You then, once you put that in, hold it in and pump away. Oh hey, making sure it don't fall out. That's the fun part. And then you'll pump away until it's full. I'll get back to you in a minute. Just try to do this without knocking the bottle over. And you do that until... oh, bloody light. It comes out of the top hole. And when she is leaking out of this bolt, chuck the bolt back in, torque her up, and jobs are good. So don't forget to like, follow, comment, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully I can bring you more videos. So yeah, that's jobs are good. I'm gonna clean this little bit of mess up, and the little bit of custard cream pie that we've got from where she was filled up. And then when you know, well, when you can see you got loads of when you got your oil, diff oil coming out of that top, oh, you know she's full. Put the plug back in, torque her up, and away you go. Now I just got to clean up the mess. Fun times. Right, until next time, guys.